Hi everyone. In today's session, we'll cover all the business processes with SAP support. First, let's try to understand what is a business process. So, a business process refers to a set of activities that have to be performed to complete an end-to-end business scenario. One example can be an order to cash business process. And business processes should have a purposeful goals, be as specific as possible, and produce consistent outcomes. Let's try to see why business processes are important. Firstly, they help organizations identify and understand the actual work required to achieve organizational objectives. Second, they break that work into organized, repeatable steps that workers can follow to achieve consistent outcomes. And using repeatable steps to produce consistent outcomes helps organizations more accurately predict the resources they need, thereby lowering the risk of over or under provisioning valuable resources. And the last one being able to better measure the efficiency and effectiveness of the individual steps within the process. It enables teams to identify and mitigate inefficiencies and bottlenecks to improve performance. This is the foundation of continuous improvement. These are the SAP supported business processes. First one, recruit to retire. The second one, lead to cash. Third one being source to pay. Fourth, plan to fulfill. And the last one, acquire to decommission. In subsequent slides, we'll cover each one in detail. First one, recruit to retire. This is related to HR business process, and it is one of the critical business scenarios. A company's workforce provides the manpower to achieve their objectives. Employees needs to be hired, trained correctly, assigned to correct tasks, and paid correctly. In this, SAP provides the ability to understand, manage, and optimize all aspects of workforce, be it internal or external, in line with business objectives and clear the financial impact. The next one is lead to cash. This is related to the sales process. And lead to cash business process provides an end-to-end scenario that manages all aspects from the initial interaction with the customer to order fulfillment and even the service delivery part. It drives and realizes revenue along your journey. It is a template process based on the best practices and can be adapted or extended based on your specific requirements. The process may vary depending on the industry type, the type of customers, and the sales channel used, whether e-commerce or direct sales. The third one is source to pay. This is related to procurement business process. So the scenarios of source to pay maximizes the impact and potential of end-to-end sourcing and procurement process by leveraging core data, predictive analytics, and machine learning to ensure that right suppliers are chosen for direct materials, indirect materials, or services. Buyers can efficiently create intelligent connections with millions of suppliers. Suppliers can create profitable connections with buyers and efficiently manage the sales cycle and cash flows. Now, business processes comprise the integration between SAP Ariba and S4 HANA Cloud. Source to Pay provides the users with a seamless procurement experience across SAP Ariba and S4 HANA Cloud and includes strategic sourcing as well as procurement. The next one is plan to fulfill business process. Plan to fulfill is a group of end-to-end business processes within the design to operate, and it enables companies to manage a resilient and sustainable digital supply chain encompassing all business processes relating to planning, manufacturing, and delivering their products. It helps to create a responsive design to operate process and customer-centric supply chain that are the backbone of resilient business. The last one is acquire to decommission. So after a business receives an industrial asset from its manufacturer, they technically onboard the asset using SAP Intelligent Asset Management Solutions. Assets are then monitored and maintained leveraging intelligent technologies such as IoT, Internet of Things, and machine learning. This allows for any kind of asset maintenance with integration into other domains like finance, sourcing and procurement, and collaboration with business partners to optimize asset performance. An operator can also suggest product improvements by sharing their feedback directly with the manufacturer. A typical asset life cycle looks like it starts with the planning, moves to acquisition, then it goes to operation, maintenance, and finally decommission when the life cycle ends. So now we have covered all the business processes supported in SAP. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining.